Hello everyone, welcome. In our last few lessons we've been working with regular ER verbs in the present tense in French. If you know the endings for regular ER verbs, you can conjugate any regular ER verb. In this lesson we're going to work with the verb to dance in French, which is danser, danser, danser. Remember that when you remove the ER from the infinitive, you're left with the root, so here's the root. And at this point, the only thing you need to do is add the appropriate ending to the root. If I want to say I dance, je danse, je danse. You dance, tu danses, tu danses. He dances, she dances, or one dances. Il, elle, on danse. We dance. Nous dansons. You dance. Vous dansez. And they dance. Il, elle, danse. Some expressions that we can use with danser are trop, too much, tout le temps, all the time, très bien, very well, mal, terribly. Putting it all together, if I want to say I dance too much, I would say je danse trop. I dance all the time. Je danse tout le temps. I dance very well. Je danse très bien. I dance terribly. Je danse mal. You dance too much. Tu danses trop. You dance all the time. Tu danses tout le temps. You dance very well. Tu danses très bien. You dance terribly. Tu danses mal. He dances too much. Il danse trop. He dances all the time. Il danse tout le temps. He dances very well. Il danse très bien. He dances terribly. Il danse mal. I dance with. Je danse avec. I dance with my wife. Je danse avec ma femme. I dance with Marie. Je danse avec Marie. I dance with my girlfriend. Je danse avec ma petite amie. She dances with. Elle danse avec. She dances with her husband. Elle danse avec son mari. She dances with Pierre. Elle danse avec Pierre. She dances with a friend. Elle danse avec un ami. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning French and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.